In categories, you have Agniveer general duty category in which you can apply. So, Agniveer GD category is one category. Second category is Agniveer technical. So, my co-panelists have just mentioned about various skills based degrees and courses. So, you can check the eligibility on the official website, and if you are meeting those qualification requirement, so you can apply for the Agniveer technical category. Then third category you can apply is the Agniveer clerks who do the clerical work in the Indian Army, as well as the storekeeper technicals. So, they also have a slightly different QR to apply. So, they can also apply depending on your qualification. Then the fourth category is tradesmen. Tradesmen include the carpenter, the mason, the machinist, the vehicle mech, etc. So, they should be 10th class qualified, and then depending on your qualification they can apply for various trades in the Indian Army. And then we have a very 8th class tradesmen also, like those who are into the housekeeping, those who have done some degree certificate courses, they can also apply for such like jobs.